Hello guys, let's start our lesson about evaluating numerical expressions and placing grouping samples. Evaluating numerical expressions. How do you evaluate expressions with more than one operation? First, do the operation inside parentheses or brackets. Then multiply and divide in order from the left to the right. Finally, add and subtract in order from the left also to the right. Let's see the first example. Here we have to use the order of operation to evaluate each expression. 12 plus 9 minus 2 times 8. Here we have addition, subtraction between parentheses and multiply. First of all, we have to start with parentheses first. So 9 minus 2 equals 7. Now we have 12 plus 7 multiply 8. So I'm going to start with the multiplying first. 7 multiply 8 equal 56. 56 plus 12, it will be 68. Use the order of operation to evaluate each expression. 10 multiply 4 minus 3. We have 3 steps. First, if we have parentheses or brackets, we have to start with it. Second, multiply or divide it. Third, subtract or addition. Here we have multiplying and subtraction, so the strong sign is multiplying. 10 multiply 4 equal 40. 40 minus 3 equal 37. The next, 12 plus 24 divided 4 plus 8. So I'm going to start with the division. Let's underline. 24 divided 4 equal 6. So 12 plus 6 plus 8. Now let's make adding for the first two digits. 12 plus 6 equal 18 plus 8 equal 26. The next, 912 minus 84.6 divided 0.1. Here we have subtraction and the divided. The strong sign is the division. So I'm going to underline that. Divided. Here we have 84.6 divided 0.1. As we know, this is a crazy decimal. That's mean multiply by 10. And if I have any number multiplied by 10, I'm going to move the decimal to the right one place. So it will be 912 minus 846. Let's make it in a draft. 912 minus 846. 2 minus 6, it can't. So let's me borrow from 1. 1 will be 0 and 2 will be 12. 12 minus 6 equals 6. And now 0 minus 4, it can. Let's borrow from 9. 9 will be 8 and 0 will be 10. 10 minus 4, 6 and 8 minus 8, 0. So the answer is 66. Exercise D. Here we have 2514.6 minus 23.4 divided 0.01 plus 11.7. Here we have minus, divided and plus. So let's start with the strong sign, divided. 23.4 divided 0.01. Here we have a crazy decimal. So let's cross it and write times 100. 23.4 times 100, that's mean I'm moving the decimal 2 places to the right. And here we have an empty place, so I will replace it by 0. So it will be 2340. Now let me write 2514.6 minus 2340 plus 11.7. Here we have minus and the plus, so let's start from the left side. 2514.6 minus 22,340. It will be 174.6, then make plus 11.7. The answer would be 186.3. Example 11. Example E here, 53 times 2 plus 54 divided 1.5. Here we have multiplication sign, addition sign, and divided. So, of course, multiplying and divided are strong signs. So, I'm gonna start from the left side. 53 times 2, it will be 106. Then make plus 54 divided 1.5. Here, plus and the divided. So, I will start from the divided sign. 54 divided 1.5. Here 54 is the dividend and 1.5 the divisor. Here the divisor with decimal. So let's write it in the draft. And how to cancel the decimal from the divisor? By using times 10 and times 10 also in the dividend. So it will be 540 divided by 15. Let's make long division and put the dividend under the line and the divisor out. Here we have the dividend 3 digits. That means that quotient will be also 3 digits. And now let me write with you table 15 from 0 till 5. And if I need more, I will continue. Now 5 divided 15, it can't. So I will put 0. Then I will take 2 digits to let the number bigger. 54 divided by 15. 54 is between 45 and 60. So I'm gonna choose the smallest and the nearest. So I will write 3 up and 45 down. Let's make subtraction. 54 minus 45, it will be 9. And drop down 0. So 90 divided 15. Let me check here. So let's continue. Table 15. 15 times 6 equal 90. So I will write 6 up and 90 is down. After subtraction, so the answer will be 36. Now let me write 106 plus 36. It will be 142. Exercise F. 31 times 2.5 plus 47.18 minus 3.12 divided 0.1. Let's start from the strong sign. Here, times and divided. I'm going to start from the left. 31 times 2.5. Let's do it here in the draft. 31 times 2.5. Here we have 0 decimal place and here we have 1 decimal place. And let's start to make multiplying from the 1. So I'm going to write one sentence. 5 multiply 1 equal 5. And 5 multiply 3 equal 15. Then I'm going to cross 5 and let's start with the tens. 2 multiply 1 equal 2 and 2 multiply 3 equals 6. And don't forget to put the 0 under the 5. Let's make adding. 5 plus 0 equals 5 and 2 plus 5 equals 7. 1 plus 6 equals 7. Here 0 decimal place and here 1 decimal place. So the answer will be after 1 decimal place from the right. So it will be 77.5. Now I'm going to write 77.5 plus 47.18 minus 3.12 divided 0.1. Now plus and minus and divided. So I'm going to start with the strong sign divided. 3.12 divided 0.1. Here it's a crazy decimal, so I will cross it and write times 10. Here times 10. That means I'm moving the decimal one place to the right. So it will be 31.2. Let's write 77.5 plus 47.18 minus 31.2. So here we have plus and minus, so I will start from the left side. 77.5 plus 47.18, it will be 124.68, then make minus 31.2. The answer will be 93.48.